Hello everybody, and today my dad will be walking my cat for her first time outside. She's a little stressed out, but she's getting a little bit better. What are you doing, cat?
They're annoying you.
Can I film you?
You have your teeth?
Yeah.
You can leave that in, that's funny.
You have your teeth right there.
You're good. That's good.
Can we start walking?
You okay?
My dad has big toes. See?
Here,
Look.
no, I'll just put it in.
Aw.
Yeah.
Why?
Okay.
Can we carry her a little
Why,
bit?
Dad?
Say bye, because she's stressed out.
Say bye to my kitty cat. Although she can't hear you, she says bye. Bye.